Hi Sketcher! Welcome to my series documenting my preparation for the Urban Sketchers Symposium in Toulouse. Today we are unboxing a package from Etchr, who kindly sponsored my workshop and live demonstration. A huge thank you to the entire Etchr team for their support. The first item is the beautiful TPS Signature Series Sketchbook in B5 portrait format. It features 300 GSM Fabriano paper, which is absolutely fantastic for watercolor. The paper handles multiple washes beautifully, making it a perfect sketchbook for urban sketching on location. The second item is the Nano Satchel. It's a compact bag designed to carry your essential sketching tools, and thanks to its built-in support straps, it can even be used as a stable drawing surface while sketching outdoors. I have already tried it both in the streets and in the museum, and it's surprisingly comfortable for standing sketches. If you would like to follow my preparation for the symposium, discover the gear I will be using, and come along to the adventure in Toulouse, make sure to follow along. There are many more videos coming soon.